is Money, and today we're going to discuss about connectors in this video. So I wanted to share up a feedback of my students. They're not thorough with the connectors, and if you're not thorough with the connectors, it's going to be a real problem for you, especially for B1, because when you use connectors, so it gives a very good impact on your writing part, on your speaking part. So usage of connectors should be more and more in your day-to-day life in German language, or whenever you write down the writing part. It's very important to understand and learn the connectors because the verb position changes. Connectors are of many types, right? If a word is not a connector, then also we can use them as a connector, but the verb position will not be changed. Fine. So that is the reason you have to mug up the connectors. And in this video we have a lot of examples about the connectors. If you go through this video up till end, you're going to find a lot of content into it. Apart from this, if you have any inquiry, any question related to German language, related to overseas education in Europe, you're most welcome to write down a comment, call us or contact us. And if you wanted to take up the classes, you can also take up the classes with us. We don't provide recorded sessions, we provide one-to-one sessions. And apart from this, you can just write down your comments if you feel that a lot of doubts, if you have any doubt related to German language. And if you're liking this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.
Zweiteilige Konnektoren or two-part connectors. Two-part connectors in German are called zweiteilige Konnektoren. That means that these connectors are always used to connect two main clauses or two parts of a sentence, and they are always used in a sentence in a pair. That means that they can only be used in pair and not individually, and they have to be learned as it is, like with their meanings. They are used to describe the relationship between two things or two situations. We'll first learn what these connectors are, what they mean, and then with the examples we'll be learning how they can be used in a sentence. So the first connector is sowohl als auch, or, which is also known as nicht nur, sondern auch. Both of these connectors are exactly the same with the same meaning, which means not only but also. The second connector is entweder, oder, either or. Third one is weder, noch, neither nor. The fourth is zwar, aber, indeed or certainly but. The last one is einerseits, andererseits, which means on one side or on one hand, on the other hand, on the other side. Now we'll be learning how they can actually be used in a sentence. Their usage is very much similar to their meanings, the way they are used in English. So the first example is: Mein Freund ist nicht nur ehrlich, sondern auch sehr verantwortlich. My friend is not only honest but also very responsible. So we use this connector when we want to actually include two things in a sentence. Spielt sowohl Gitarre als auch Klavier. He not only plays guitar but also a piano. So again, we are including both the instruments here, guitar and piano. Now, let's look at the second connector. Wir gehen heute Abend entweder ins Kino oder wir treffen uns zu Hause. We are going either to the movies tonight or will meet at home. Now in this sentence, we are only including one of the two options. That means either we'll be going to movies or we'll stay at home. Entweder ist er ehrlich oder sehr dumm. Either he is honest or he is very stupid. So we are including only one of the two attributes. Now let's look at the third example. Das Haus ist weder groß noch schön. The house is neither big nor beautiful. Now in this sentence, we are not including any of the two options. When we do not want to include any of the two options, neither nor is used. Let's look at the next example. Sie ist zwar nicht oft in Berlin, aber sie kennt die Stadt sehr gut. She is not often in Berlin, but she knows the city very well. Another example would be, zwar ist sie schön, aber nicht intelligent. She is indeed beautiful, but she is not intelligent. Now here, we are showing that one option is certainly included, but not the other. So when we are contradicting two things, this connector can be used. Let's see the next example. Einerseits möchte ich gerne mit dem Zug fahren, andererseits ist der Bus billiger. On the one hand, I would like to take the train, but on the other hand, the bus is cheaper. Ich gehe einerseits gerne ins Kino, andererseits bleibe ich lieber zu Hause. On one side, I like to go to the cinema, on the other hand, I prefer to stay at home. So again, when we are showing two different contradicting statements, we can use this connector. Or for example, when we have to show an advantage or disadvantage of a single thing, that would be again contradicting statements. So we can use this connector. I hope you have understood well the usage of these connectors, but it would be very useful for you if you keep practicing, if you keep making sentences. You can write in the comments and we'll be happy to help you.